Hey friends, if you wish to restore the dislike button on YouTube, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open it. If you don't have Chrome, then download and install Chrome. Okay, and then go to YouTube. Try opening any video. Okay, I'll just pause the sound. And you will notice that the dislike button exists, but the dislike counter does not. So here's what you have to do. Click on this option here and select manage extensions, and then search for YouTube dislike. Go to the Chrome store if you don't have it. Dislike, return YouTube dislikes, and then just add it to Chrome. Click on add extension. Okay, now it has been added. Okay, and then we will reload this page. So the dislike counter is back. You can see the dislikes here as well. This is excellent. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.